Hi, Rachel. Hi, Landy. Hi, Lucy. If everyone could turn on their screen, that would be great. Hi, everyone.
Hi, teacher.
How was your weekend? Or how was your week?
Um, I'm very good.
That's good. Did you have school this week?
No.
Oh, okay. So, Mimi, is it letting you share the screen?
Let's go through the cards, the plays, right?
Okay.
Yeah. Can you
So,
guys hear me? Okay.
Lucy and Landy, if you could hear me, could you please turn on your camera? Thank you. All right. So, Mimi, you can start the slideshow.
Okay. Where?
On the top right.
Oh, I did not see that. Can you guys see it? Okay.
Okay, so today your teachers are going to be me, Natalie, and Mimi. So your homework from last week was to answer the question, out of all the locations which we learned this week, which one do you like the most? And the locations are listed at the bottom. So a movie theater, the school, a park, the swimming pool, the grocery store, a restaurant, a museum, an amusement park, a water park, a mall, or a performance area. So I personally like the swimming pool because I like going there during the summer. So Rachel, what about you?
I like you. The swimming pool because I
Oh.
can in the summer I can swim in the swimming pool and I can play with the swimming teacher and have a race.
Oh, that's a very good answer. Thank you, Rachel. Hi, Angle. Landy, what about you? Out of all the locations, which one do you like the most? Can you hear me, Landy?
Landy, can you also turn on your camera, please?
So I have a chat. Lucy texted something in private.
Oh.
Just give me 1 second to translate that. So Lucy says she did not understand. Mimi, can you translate?
你能不能打开你的视像？Was it Landy that said that?
No, Lucy said she couldn't
Oh,
understand
Lucy.
the question.
Oh, okay. 这个星期你最喜欢去哪一个地方？有学校，有去公园，有去 how do I say swimming？去游泳。你最喜欢去哪里
Park.
？Park？
That's a good answer, Lucy. Why do you like the park? Or do you like going to the park?
Yeah.
What do you do at the park?
The park has many fish, and I can see the fish.
Oh, you see fish there. That's very cool, Lucy. Thank you for answering. So, Angle, what about you? The question was, out of all the locations we learned this week, which one did you like the most?
I like school most
Oh, okay. So, why do you think you like the school the most?
because I have many good friends.
Oh, that's nice. I like talking to my school friends too. Thank you, Angle. And Landy, could you hear me? It seems like Landy is not on right now, so we can just move on.
Okay. So the second one is when you are with your friends or family, where do you go? Okay.
When I'm with my friends or family, I want to go outside because I like going somewhere with my dogs. So, Mimi, what about you?
Um, I like going to the park with my family. I think it's a very good environment, for us to walk.
Yeah, I agree.
Lucy, how about you?
I want to go to swimming pool.
Swimming pool with your family? That's very nice. How about you, Rachel?
I think we will go to the park.
The park?
Because we can have a picnic and play lots of game in the park.
Oh, me too. Oh, okay. That's very nice. Engel, how about you?
I want to go to um, space museum.
Space Museum? That's really cool. I love Space Museum. By the way, can everyone turn on their cameras?
Hi, Mary, and hi, Mimi, could you read that? Or
Uh, I don't really know how to pronounce that.
if you could change your name. Oh,
I
what was that?
I think she's now.
Oh, Now. Hi,
Now, now?
Now. If you could turn on your camera, that would be great. Thank you.
Okay, shall we move on?
Mhm.
Today we're gonna talk about body parts.
So, the first
Um,
body part we're going to talk about is the head. So, the head is the very top part of your body. So, that includes your face, your eyes, your nose, your mouth, your ears, your brain, which is inside your head, and your hair. So, the head is an important part of the body because it controls our body and it gives them directions. So, we see things through our eyes, we smell things through our nose, and we eat and taste foods with our mouth.
the next one is legs, which is the bottom half of the body. It makes up half of our height. Our legs include bones, muscles, and joints. They help us stand, walk, run, and jump. Our leg also hold our body weight. All right. So, Rachel, what do you use your legs for?
We will on the morning with my daddy go to the park to running.
Running? That's really good. How about you, Angle? What do you use your leg for? Angle? So what do you use your legs for?
Angle, can you hear us?
We can use we legs thinking.
Mimi, maybe you can also translate the question for everyone, just in case, to make sure everyone understands.
So the 这个问题是你用你的腿干什么？So Angle.
踢腿 kicking 踢腿
Oh, okay. Kicking. That's cool. How about you, Lucy?
Walk to the park.
Walk to the park? Nice. Um, is the yellow profile picture
Yeah, that's
now?
now.
Okay. Now. What do you use your legs for?
One.
Run? Oh, okay.
Yes.
So the next part of your body are your muscles. So you actually can't really see your muscles from the outside. Well, I guess you can, but they're mostly organs inside the body. So your muscles allow you to move, and we actually have more than 600 muscles in our body. 1 second. Let me let someone in. Hi, Zhang Cheng. If you could turn on your camera, that would be great. Thank you. So we have more than 600 muscles inside our body, and your brain actually controls all your muscles. And as I said previously, your brain is inside your head. So when Engel said that your legs help you to think, I would say that maybe your head helps you to think more. And then because you're thinking, you get your legs to move. And even your face and eyes have muscles. That's a fun fact.
The next is torso, which is the central part of the human body. This includes the abdomen, chest, and back, and etc. The part of the body that other limbs connect to. It also includes the core stabilizing muscles. It also has the most important organs like the heart or lungs.
Wow, Rachel, I see that you have a book. Do you want to show it to us?
It's a body book.
A body book.
Oh, that's interesting. Does it have all the parts of the body?
Yes. It has head, brain, lots of.
That's cool. Yeah, so we're actually about to talk about the brain. So the brain controls all the different functions inside of the body, and also it interprets information from the outside world. So if that's a little confusing, functions could be something like getting your arm to move, to wave hi. And then information from the outside world could be when someone is talking to you, your brain helps you interpret the language or help you understand it. So there are 6 different parts of the brain: your frontal lobe, the temporal lobe, the brainstem, cerebellum, the parietal lobe, and the occipital lobe, which helps you see. So you don't need to know all that, but those are the 6 different parts of your brain. Your brain doesn't fully form and develop until you turn 25 years old, and it weighs about 3 pounds. So the average brain actually generates 48.6 thoughts per minute, which shows how fast your brain thinks. And your hippocampus is actually most strongly linked to your memory. So that part of your brain helps you remember things.
Right. Oh, I skipped. Okay. And next is our throat. The throat is part of the respiratory system and digestive system. The respiratory system is the part like when we breathe in fresh air into our body. The digestive system part is that our like it breaks down nutrients. Our throat carries air, food, and liquid down from nose and mouth. I guess only the mouth part for food and liquid. There are 5 different parts of the throat. Esophagus. Is that right, Rachel? No, not Rachel, Natalie.
Esophagus?
Okay, whatever that is. Windpipe, waste box, tonsils, and
Epiglottis.
epiglottis. Okay. Those are some big words. I don't think you need to like remember all those, right? There are vocal cords which allow us to speak.
So then you have your ears, which are a part of your head. So as we mentioned earlier, your head has like your nose, your mouth, and your ears. So your ears allow you to hear things, but they also control our sense of balance in mammals. So in a way, it helps you balance your body. The ear is split into an outer, middle, and an inner part. And the way that you hear sound through your ears through vibrations, because vibrations travel through the tiny bones in our ears, and that allows us to hear sounds. So the ear contains the smallest bone in the body, and that's called the stapes. And if we listen to very loud sounds, we can actually damage our ears and lose our hearing. So that's why if you're in a loud setting, you usually don't like the sound there.
Okay, the next is the spine. The spine is the body's support structure. It helps you to stand, sit, walk around, and etc. It also connects different parts of your skeletal system, which supports your body weight and helps you move. A health spine makes an a I think it's supposed to say a healthy spine makes an S shape. The spine is made up of 5 different things. Uh, vertebrae, uh, facet joints, intervertebral braille discs. Okay, spinal cords and nerves and soft tissues. The spine is also characterized into 5 different sections.
I don't think we have to go over like the specific ones. They can read it.
Yeah. Okay, anyways. Let's skip one. Yeah.
So the next part of your body are your arms. So what is an arm? An arm is what you use to grab items, or actually you can use it for a lot of other things like self-defense, writing, and much more. So what are the parts of the arm? You can see in the picture that there's a shoulder, your elbow, your wrist, which you use to move around your hand and rotate it, and then your palm, and then your fingers and your nails. And really, your fingers and your nails are a part of your hand. So where is your arm located? Your arm begins at your torso and I guess it ends at the tip of your fingers. So try to name as many parts of the hand or your arm as possible. Rachel, do you want to try?
The finger, the 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 whisker, the palm.
Yeah, the palm. That's very good. So your wrist, your palm, and your fingers are all a part of your hand. Thank you, Rachel. And I guess, Engel, what about you? Do you want to name parts of the arm that Rachel hasn't mentioned for the hand? Mimi, could you translate? Just naming a part of the arm?
Angle，你能不能就是选一个 parts of an arm? I actually don't know how to translate parts. I think
Um,
it's okay. Can we?
Here, let me try one sec.
The hand has a nail.
Yes,
Yes.
you're correct.
Zhang Cheng, you joined a while ago, and since we haven't had that many opportunities to answer a question, do you think you could answer this one? And could you turn on your camera if you could hear me? Okay, that's all right. So we can move on.
Okay. All right. The next is blood cells. So what is a blood cells? A blood cell is a type of cell found in your blood. I mean, a blood cell is technically like, your blood. There are two types, red blood cells and white blood cells. So what are their functions? The red one carries oxygen from your heart to all parts of the human body. The white blood cell helps protect our body from harmful bacteria that invades our body. All right, parts of a blood cell. Blood cells have plasma and platelets inside them. Where is your blood located? It is in our blood vessels, and red blood cells are sometimes in your heart to get oxygen. So, Lucy, can you name a function of a blood cell that I just talked about? Oh. Um,
That might be a little tough. There
yeah.
are two colors that your blood cell can be. So, Lucy, do you know what two colors a blood cell can be? Or one of the colors? You can see it in the picture, if you can see that.
Yeah, that's a tough one.
Yeah, there's a circle at the, maybe you can use your cursor to point at it. So the bottom left picture, that's one of the blood cells. So do you know what color that is, Lucy?
Red.
Yeah, that's a red blood cell. So one of the colors that a blood cell can be is red. Very good job, Lucy.
Should we ask another student? Okay. Oh, Mary, would you like to try this one? Can you name a function of a blood cell? It can be a white blood cell or red blood cell.
Mm,
Is Mary not able to talk?
Mary, if you can hear us, could you unmute yourself or turn on your camera, please? And Johnson Chang, if you could hear us as well, please turn on your camera. Thank you. It looks like Now is there though, so you could ask Now something.
Okay. Now, would you like to try this one?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Mm.
That's okay, it is a tough one. We can move on to stomach and then we'll come back to blood cells later.
Yes.
So your stomach is also known as your tummy. So it is located in the middle of your torso. You can see a very detailed picture of a stomach right there, and it shows all the insides and all the parts of the stomach. So really what your stomach helps you do is digest the food that you eat after you after you swallow it, I guess. So the way that it does that is it has acids in the stomach that helps you break down the food. And after it breaks down, our body absorbs the nutrients and the protein. So, um, let's see. Now, are you still there? Oh, it looks like Now is moving. So, Angle, could you point to your stomach? Or you could,
Angle, 你的stomach 在哪里？你能不能指给我们看？
no,
Oh,
um,
it's okay. We can move on.
yeah, that's okay. So actually, before we move into the game, let's go over every body part we just went over so we kind of have a review. You can go backwards.
Oh.
So we started at the head.
Yeah, the head is this.
Mary, Now, Angle, Lucy, and John Chin Chang, if you could turn on your camera. Thank you. So we're just gonna go over every body part before we move into the game. So the first one we did was the head.
The second one we did was the legs.
And then your muscles, which you can't see, but they're inside your body. Yeah, Rachel, I saw those muscles. And then, oh, right.
Oh, and then the torso, which is our body, the central part.
And then your brain, which is inside of your head.
And our throat.
And then your ears that help you hear sound.
And your spine, like
Also part
your
of your
back.
back.
Yeah.
And then your arms, which have several parts, like your shoulder, your elbow. Right here is your elbow. This is your elbow, and then this is your wrist. That helps you rotate. And then this is your palm, which is a part of your hand.
And the blood cells. which is like literally inside our body. Like maybe if you like got hurt, like get a cut on your finger, then your blood cells like will show up.
They're a part of your blood. And then you have your stomach, which is your tummy. It's where all your food goes after you eat it.
All
And
right, let's
now let's
start the
do the
game.
game.
I am the central part of the body. What am I? Angle, would you like to answer this one?
Central could also mean middle, so something in the middle. What do you think it could be, Angle?
Stomach.
Ooh, that's a good answer.
That's a good answer. Oh.
Well,
Stomach is part of the torso, so you're technically correct.
oh, I help digest the food you eat. What am I? I guess, now, could you try this one? What part of the body helps you digest food after you eat it? Now, can you hear me? Mm,
Um,
you have some options. So your head?
Liver.
Oh, your liver. Yeah, your liver is near that body part, but actually, what we're looking for is your stomach. So your stomach helps you digest the food that you eat. But very good guess, now. Thank you.
the eyes and nose are on me. What am I? So, Rachel, would you like to answer this?
Is it the head?
Yes. Oh, you got it correct.
I help you stand and walk. What am I? Lucy, do you know? You can also run with it.
Legs.
Yeah, your legs. Very good job, Lucy. Thank you.
All right. I help you hear and help your balance. What am I? Wait a second. Um,
Mary.
John Chun Chen. Would
Oh,
you like to try this one? I don't think Mary can hear us. Mary, can
I
you
know
hear us?
Mary sometimes does need maybe a translation, but I saw Mary turn on earlier her camera.
Oh, Don
Oh,
Chen is.
Zhang Cheng is there.
Oh, would you like to answer this one? Sorry, can you say that again? Did you say what? Arms. It's the ear. This one says this one says I help you hear, which is for the ears. So yeah.
I help protect you from bacteria and carry oxygen across the body. So this is a tougher one, but I'll give you another hint. I come in the color red or the color white. So I'm also in a circular shape, and I'm inside of your blood. So Angle, do you want to take a guess?
Blood cells.
Yeah, it's blood cells. Good job, Angle.
Good job. All right, our homework is what body part do you think is the most important? We got choices: head, arms, legs, torso, brain, lungs, heart, blood cells, muscles, ears, throat, liver, spine, and stomach.
Um,
Alright.
So actually, we have a lot of time left. So I think we could go ahead and go over some more body parts that we haven't really went into detail about. And then we can play another game. Does that sound good with you guys? All right. So we covered the head, but we also have your eyes, your nose, your eyebrows, and your mouth on your head. So how about we go through and we each name one body part near your head? So I'll go first. I'll name the head. And Angle, do you think you could name something that's a part of your head? It could be a part of your face. So like your eyes, your ears.
Ear.
Okay, that's a good one. And what do your ears help you do?
So what do you think your ear help you do?
Maybe you can translate, Mimi.
OK，你的耳朵可以做什么东西？Angle.
It hair.
Here.
Ah, it helps you hear. Thank you, Angle.
Listen.
And Mimi, you can call on someone as well.
Lucy, what do you can you name a can you name something that's part of your head? Lucy，你能不能告诉我一个东西，在你头上的？
Eyes.
Eyes? That's nice. What does your eyes help you do?
Help me see.
Oh, all right.
Rachel, what about you? Can you name a part of your head or something around your head?
The mouth. It can taste and eat food.
Yeah, very good answer. Thank you, Rachel.
Now, 你的can you name a part that's on your head?
Bone.
Huh?
It looks like now, could you name what this body part is?
Oh, oh, where's now? Oh, did you leave?
Oh, yes, she did. That's okay.
Okay.
Teacher is no.
Huh?
Zhang Chang, are you there? Oh, it looks like Now is actually back.
Oh, okay.
Now, I see that you're back.
Hello, Nana. Welcome back.
So now, could you name this part of your body?
看到改了名字了吗？
头.
最好是这样。
Okay,
Okay. We
Lucy,
can move
what about you?
on.
Do you know what this is? I see that Rachel actually typed it in the chat, so she did say it's a nose. Thank you, Rachel. I actually have a better game that might be a little funner to play. So we can play Pictionary. So we'll get a whiteboard out and we can take turns drawing a body part, and that might help you guess something. So,
Do you have a
um,
whiteboard?
yeah, I actually think you can pull it up on Google Drive, or maybe we can pull it up here.
Google Drive.
Yeah, so when
This
you
does.
share screen, you do a whiteboard, and then you share it. Can you guys see that?
Yes.
Okay, so I'm going to draw something, and then you guys can try to guess it. And it actually is going to start off by being a body part, and then we can draw anything we want, maybe an animal. So let me draw my person. Does it only let me draw, or can you guys draw as well? Mimi, does it let you draw?
Yeah.
Nice. So I guess we can take picture or turns. So guys, what body part is this?
Is hand.
Yeah, I'm a little more specific. So I'm actually looking for this singular thing. What is this?
Finger.
Yeah, that's my finger. Well,
Good job.
cool.
This is
Okay, someone else can take their turn drawing. Angle, what about you? You can draw something.
You can draw something and we will guess it. Can Ingo draw on this?
And so no one calls out by accident? Since Angle is the one drawing, Rachel, you can be the one guessing. And then when Rachel draws, Lucy, you can be the one guessing. So Rachel, what do you think that is?
is stomach.
Ingo, is it stomach?
Yes.
Oh,
Nice.
good job, Rachel.
Good drawing,
Now,
Angle.
Rachel. Now, Rachel, you can draw something and Lucy will guess.
So let me clear this board. Oh, that's a funny drawing.
What? I.
Is that right, Rachel?
Yes.
Good job, Lucy.
Nice job, guys. So Lucy, now you can draw. And now you can guess what Lucy's drawing.
I'm drawing bad.
No, that was a good drawing, Rachel. I liked how you added eyes to your drawing, Rachel. And I like how you drew your hands angle. They were better than my drawing for sure. Can you circle the part or draw an arrow? Or maybe, okay. Now, do you know what this is?
Here.
Hair?
Very well
Yeah.
done.
Good job.
How you drew the ponytail, Lucy? It's like your ponytail, except you have two.
I'm
Okay.
drawing like it too.
Yeah. So now, you can draw now. And then John Chin Chang, you can guess. Now, are you okay with drawing something? Do you want to draw? Hmm. Um, now, do you know how to start drawing?
Mm, 我不懂你什么意思。
哦，你知道怎么画画吗？就是在这上面画画。
不知道。
不知道。Wait, how do they and like how do they draw on here?
So
Like
click. Rachel, Angle, do you want to help Now out, Lucy?
Rachel，你能不能帮一下闹闹？他不知道怎么在这上面画画。
娜娜，左下角有个那个画画的弹幕，你可以点开来。
No, that's okay. While you figure that out, we can try to get Mary to draw. Mary, do you think he can draw? Is it letting you to do so? Maybe we should also translate it. I don't know if Mary hears me. Hmm. Whoa, who drew that? Wait, you saw that drawing, right?
Yeah.
And Angle, Rachel, Lucy, and now, since it's not your turn to guess, you can actually message it in the chat privately to me, and I can see if you got it right or not. So if you still want to play the guessing game, you can just type it in the chat. Oh, I see that now can draw now. Yeah, that's a very good drawing, Mary. Ooh, I see you circled something. Johnson Chang, do you know what this is?
I think it's no.
What do you think it is? Johnson Chang, could you repeat that, please? Yeah, a nose. It is a nose. And I see that Lucy and Rachel got that right as well in the chat. And Ingle as well. So, Johnson Chang, do you want to draw?
It's so beautiful that.
Yeah, it was a beautiful nose. Actually, sorry, I forgot to get back to Now. Since Now can draw now, you can go ahead and do that. Do you want to draw now? Whoops.
That's a really good drawing. Oh my god.
It looks like the McDonald's the girl.
The McDonald girl.
The toilet girl.
The janitor?
Yes.
I see.
Oh.
Who is drawing the gray one? Is that Now?
I think it's now.
Now, can you circle something or draw an arrow to something?
Oh my god.
Can you circle apart? Oh,
Oh, I see. Now pointed an arrow to something.
Mary, would you like to answer this one? Mary, can you hear us? Um,
Sorry, I don't know.
你知道这个是什么吗
Neck.
The neck. It's also the throat. Oh, I see Rachel. Rachel said neck.
Oh, Mary's saying something, I think.
Oh.
Were you saying something, Mary?
I
Maybe
don't
you
know.
can maybe you can say throat and translate throat and then tell her this is the throat.
你可以说这个是什么in 中文。
喉咙。
对。OK。Mary，你想在这上面画画吗？然后让其他人，就是 guessing。
Yes.
All right. Now, can you delete that drawing? Or
I think we have one person left, John Chin Chang. Would you like to draw?
oh, I already asked Mary to draw. But
What
like,
about John Chin Chang?
do you want to draw on here?
You can say yes or no. Sorry, Mary. Could John Chin Chang draw? Is that him? Well, actually, I guess since we only have a minute left, Mimi, you can go ahead and draw something, and all the students can take a guess in the chat.
Okay.
So
Give me a sec.
everyone can text it, and then we'll say it out loud after. So Mimi is going to draw for the last one.
It's beautiful.
Thank you so much. I love drawing.
That's
All
a
right.
really good drawing, Mimi.
Thank you. Can you guys tell me what this is?
Eye.
Eyes? You guys are correct. All right.
Eyes.
I like it.
Thank you so much. Now, can you tell me what this is?
The circle.
Nose.
Nose. Good job, Angel. Was that you? Angel?
Nose.
Nose.
Yeah,
Oh, good
you
job.
guessed that.
Okay. Let me put on a different one. Do you guys know what this is?
Neck.
Neck?
It can also be your throat.
Yeah. Good job, whoever said that. All right.
Neck.
Here. Good job. Can you tell me what this is?
Mouse.
Good job,
Actually,
Engel.
out of time.
Yeah.
But that's a very good drawing, Mimi. We should have got you drawing a lot earlier. Okay, thank you, everyone. So you know your homework. It's just to name what body part you think is the most important. And yeah, that's it for today. So you can leave. Have a
Thank
good
you,
weekend, guys.
everyone.
Bye,
Bye, teacher.
Rachel. Bye, Now. Bye, Angle. Bye,
Bye.
Lucy.
Bye, teacher.
Bye bye.
Bye now. Bye,
Teacher, have
Rachel.
a good week.
You
Thank
too.
you so
Thank
much. You
you.
too.
Bye.
Bye, Mary.
Bye. Bye, Now.
Bye now. Oh.